My name is Carl Albrick. I'm the CEO of Garkane Energy Cooperative. We serve most of south central Utah and northern Arizona. It's a large, expansive service territory, 16,000 square miles. Has a unique set of challenges because we serve more national parks than any utility in the country, national monuments, 3 major national forests, BLM lands, state trust lands. We have some unique challenges here at Garkane because we're so spread out, and yet we serve only 13,500 customers, or about 5 customers per mile of line. So we are now in the process of going through a major transmission rebuild. We have 3 current projects that are being built or on the drawing board.
We're constructing a transmission line through Kanab, from the Kanab Creek Ranchos to the Kanab City substation. We're going to upgrade the Kanab Creek Rancho substation in order to provide better and more reliable service to those Kanab City customers and through the valley area. We're going to reconductor the distribution lines in Kanab. We're rebuilding a substation in the Kanab Creek Ranchos to increase the capacity there, almost doubling the capacity. We're pulling probably about 2.5 miles of cable across there, so we can have the 2 feeds from either Kanab City substation or the Rancho substation back into town, which will mean more reliability for those Kanab City customers.
One of the projects I've been working on is the permitting of the Tropic to Hatch 138 transmission line. That project is approximately 30 miles of transmission line that will be supported on wood structures, 2 poles, approximately 60 to 80 feet tall. We've been working on this project for approximately 5 years, the permitting process. We recognize that, there's a trade-off between environmental concerns and the costs of construction, and we've worked very hard to maximize the responsible manner in which the line will be built while minimizing the cost to our consumers. As the local electrical utility in this area, we understand that our actions, our facilities have an impact on the land that we live in, the area that we have. They have impacts on the visuals. We make a real effort to do so responsibly, to build our projects responsibly, develop them in a manner that is reasonable in cost and in also environmental impacts.
Well, we're currently working on a Tropic to Hatch transmission project, as well as a Hatch town substation to Todd's Junction transmission line. The purpose behind this transmission line is so we can provide more capacity to our Cedar Mountain customers along with the outlying areas. We have built to capacity the existing transmission line that previously served these areas. The transmission line that's currently under construction will be built as H-structure construction, 138 spec. There'll be approximately 7 miles of line between Hatch and Todd's Junction, where we will intertie with the existing Todd substation that was built a couple of years ago. One of the benefits to the new construction on the current transmission line we're working on is that it does have a static wire at the top of the towers. This will give us lightning protection that we currently don't have on the old transmission system that feeds the Cedar Mountain area. With this will come some reliability features that we haven't been privy to. We also have an integrated fiber optic line that will have communication capabilities for the outlying areas. Another challenge we've had in the past is snow loading, especially in our higher elevations. And with the new type of construction we're building on this transmission, it will increase our ability to shed snow and keep the line hot and energized when it's needed most.
It's a fine line between spending that kind of money for transmission and keeping the rates affordable but also providing reliable power. We're committed to that. Our motto has always been quality service, local control, and as a cooperative, we feel we've done a good job serving our members throughout the Garkane service territory in south central Utah. These are challenging times. The money is expensive. The environmental costs are a great concern to us, but we are good stewards of the land and the species, and we will get through this as we've gotten through other challenges that have faced Garkane in the past.